Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to talk about days, months, and dates in English. You will learn the days of the week, the month of the year, and some simple sentences you can use every day. So let's get started. Let's learn the 7 days of the week. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, and now repeat after me. Monday, faster. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Excellent. And let's use them in sentences. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. So let's repeat. Today is Monday. Now it's your turn. Okay, very good. You can also ask, what day is it today? And answer, this is Monday. Okay? And you can say, now let's learn the 12 month. It's so important too. Now, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And now let's say them together. How? January, February, March, April. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. May, June, July, August. September, October, November, December. September, October, November, December. Excellent. You can say, my birthday is May, or my birthday is December. You can also ask, when is your birthday? Okay? My birthday is May. Now let's learn how to talk about dates. Okay? Dates. This is January 5th. For example, this is January 5th. We can also say this is March 10th. Here are some common date numbers. Uh, for example, first, first, second, second, third, third, fourth, fourth, fifth, fifth. For example, my birthday is May 5th. My birthday is May 5th. Notice that we use that we use on when talking about a specific date. You can ask, what is the date today? What is the date today? And answer, this is August 17th. This is August 17th. And I think it's enough, my friends. It's very simple, and you can try it at home and repeat it, and it's very simple. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. Goodbye, my friends. See you in the next lesson.